occasion, the inauguration of Silver Jubilee celebrations of PACE Group, PACE Silviora, and the official banner drop ceremony being held right here at the wonderful PACE Knowledge City campus, the magnificent PACE Knowledge City campus. I take this privilege to extend a very special and a very heartfelt welcome to our Honorable Managing Trustee of PA Educational Trust, Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, who is a guiding force and a source of inspiration. Thank you, sir, for being here with us. A warm welcome to Mr. Sharfuddin PK, AGM campus, and esteemed principals, vice principals of all the sister institutions, and all the faculty members, and last but certainly not the least, the enterprising and the excellent students of PA Educational Trust. The Silver Jubilee celebrations of 25 glorious years marks not just a passage of time, but a journey of transformation, a journey of growth and excellence, a journey that began with a dream, a purpose, and a deep commitment to empower society through education. A journey of a legacy. It all began with a dream, a desire, and determination of a revered founder chairman, the late Dr. P.A. Ibrahim Haji. A visionary whose mission was to empower youth through education and transform society through knowledge. With this noble intention, the PA Educational Trust was established in 1999, a good number, 1 and 3 nines. And from its humble beginnings, it blossomed into what we proudly celebrate today, PACE Knowledge City, a vibrant hub of learning, innovation, and opportunity. Under the umbrella of PA Educational Trust, several premier institutions came into existence. PA College of Engineering, established in the year 2000, Center for Management Studies and Research, established in the year 2001, PA First Grade College in the year 2001, PA Polytechnic, to which I belong, in the year 2006, PA College of Pharmacy in the year 2018, PA Institute of Physiotherapy in the year 2019. That sounds great. Sounds good.
Go to stage on that.
Yeah. Excited, so let us start this without much delay. So let us begin this joyous celebration by seeking the blessings of the Almighty. May His grace continue to guide us, and as we carry forward the noble vision of a beloved founder chairman, late Dr. P.A. Ibrahim Haji. I now invite Mr. Fadil Muhammad from PACE to lead us in prayer.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم لا تأخذه سنة ولا نوم له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض من ذا الذي يشفع عنده إلا بإذنه يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض ولا يؤوده حفظهما وهو العلي العظيم. لا إكراه في الدين قد تبين الرشد من الغي، فمن يكفر بالطاغوت ومن يؤمن بالله فقد استمسك بالعروة الوثقى لا انفصام لها والله سميع عليم. صدق الله العظيم.
Well, to extend a warm and official welcome to this august gathering, I now invite Dr. Sarfraz J. Hashim, esteemed principal of PA First Grade College, to deliver the welcome address.
Respected Managing Trustee of PA Educational Trust, Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, AGM, Mr. Sharfuddin, principals of various sister institutions, the members of the faculty, and my dear students of Pace Knowledge City, Assalamu alaikum and a pleasant evening to you all. It's a time to remember. It's a time to cherish that the Pace Group has established or completed 25 years of its existence. And as rightly mentioned by our Master of Ceremony, PA Educational Trust was established in the year 1999, and the first institution that came under PA Educational Trust was PA College of Engineering in the year 2000. And through this, 6 institutions function in this campus, and almost under the PACE group, which functions in India, in UAE and in Kuwait, 20 institutions, about 40,000 students and about 5,000 staffs, and this is a great educational giant not only in India but in international region. So it's a very happy and proud moment for all of us, that is the members of the PACE family, to celebrate the Silver Jubilee, that is PACE Silviora. And to mark this auspicious occasion, we have with us Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, the Managing Trustee of PA Educational Trust. So on behalf of all staff and students of Pace Knowledge City, I extend a cordial welcome to you, sir. I remember 25 years back, this campus was a barren land. There was no building, only a few stones and few trees. It was just like, not a structured campus. One man had a great vision, and that is none other than our founder chairman, Dr. P. Ibrahim Haji. With a vision, he has created this entire empire, which imparts quality education at an affordable price, and which takes care of discipline, the commitment and the leadership, everything integrated in the PACE group. And we are not only celebrating 25 years, it is only a number. We celebrate a legacy of leadership, a legacy of commitment, a legacy of discipline, a legacy of imparting quality education across the globe. So it is a proud moment to each and every one of us here. And on this occasion, we have our AGM campus, Mr. Harris TD is here, Mr. Sharfuddin, and all the principals of sister institutions, the members of the faculty, and all teaching and non-teaching staff, and all my dear students. In one word, let me wholeheartedly welcome you all to this celebration. Thank you very much.
Come and setting the perfect tone for this celebration. Thank you once again. PACE has always been the flagship institution of the trust, shaping engineers, innovators, and leaders since the year 2000. To mark the graceful beginning of today's celebrations, I now invite the esteemed principal of PA College of Engineering, Dr. Ramiz MK, to deliver the prelude address with the words that truly reflect our journey, our aspirations, and our enduring spirit of excellence. The stage is all yours, sir.
Faculty members, my dear students, all the supporting and technical staff and all present here. 25 years back, as Professor has told, not only this campus was a barren land, but Derlakatta was also with no buildings, much buildings, In the night, it was very difficult to travel, I still remember. And we did not have this complete campus. The only one building which was present during that time was the boys' hostel, senior boys' hostel. The ground floor was the classroom, the first floor was the hostel, and the second floor were the labs. But we did have, I think, that amenities, our faculty quarters, that building, where I think that it was used as a girls' hostel. So it grew within few years. The next year we had this academic building. Then slowly, this campus developed. And one of the biggest beauty of this campus is the landscape, the greenery. Everybody who comes into campus fall in love with this campus. That is the beauty of this campus. And the campus has grew in last 25 years with some speed. And we hope that late our founder chairman, under his leadership, we made it for the last 21 years, up to 21 years. In the last 4 years, it was under the leadership of Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, his beloved son. And furthermore years to go, we hope that this institution will again further grow as per the dream of our founder chairman to a deemed university, one of the university of international quality, which is sought by the people all around the world. So this, in between a milestone of 25 years celebration, is basically a step for all of us to be proud, to be a part of it, to be a part of the celebration, to be a part of this legacy. And we do have in the next 3 months, it started in the last week of September, October first week, we had the launch at the Dubai corporate office where all the trustees were present. But this is the land where we started. This is the soil where we started. So the celebration at this land where Haji Ibrahim Saab has kept his first step, his first foot, has got a lot of meaning. The celebration in this land has got a lot of meaning. So really speaking, I feel the celebration what we do today has a big meaning as far as the PACE group is concerned. And we do have a lot of celebrations in the coming months, October, November, December, where we do have some activities for the students, for the faculty members, for the alumni, for all the stakeholders. And one of the beauty of the programs that has been crafted for this celebration is a lot of programs, outreach programs reaching to the society is designed for this program, reaching the poor, reaching the public. And that was one of the biggest motto of our late chairman, Dr. P.A. Ibrahim Haji. That is, we should become fine human beings. So that was an integral part of it. So one of the beauty of this program is, this celebration is, it has got a good content of human touch, a good content of human touch. Let's all be a part of it. Let's all celebrate it. And let's actually cherish these moments and dream for big. There will be a day here in this campus when PACE will be a university with a lot of students from international, from all around the world, and we will be proud of it. Let's look into that future, and we feel that let's celebrate this. It has a milestone towards it. Wish all the best for the management, the students, all the organizers, and all the people who have worked for this. Thank you very much.
The moment that we are all waiting for, the launch, the inauguration of the PACE group, Silver Jubilee celebration of 25 glorious years is going to be at any moment now. So it is time now to officially inaugurate the Silver Jubilee celebrations of the PACE group, PACE Silviora, and to witness the official banner drop ceremony right here that symbolizes 25 glorious years of growth and achievement. With immense pride and honor, I request our Honorable Managing Trustee, Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim, to kindly inaugurate the Silver Jubilee celebrations of PACE Group, PACE Silviora.
There
A glorious moment indeed, a moment of pride for all of us associated with Pace Group. Put your hands together for a big round of applause. A thunderous round of applause goes here. A moment of pride indeed for all of us. There goes Pace Silviora, the Pace Group celebrations. 25 years of glorious years of excellence.
Requesting him on stage also. So the celebration.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, students, everybody, put your hands together for a thunderous round of applause. Come on, everybody.
Yes. Started. This celebration will be from October to December. So we have a lot of programs which will be launching soon. Our managing trustee will launch it soon after his address.
Guiding force behind our continued success, the torch bearer of our founder's vision, and the person who continues to inspire the entire Pace family with unwavering commitment, our beloved managing trustee, Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim.
Assalamu alaikum and a very, very good evening. I hope all of you are excited. The most apt two people have come here and welcomed, and given a prelude, Dr. Rami sir and Dr. Sarfraz sir. They are Pace. They are also part of the whole legacy. They have been there from day one, and they have witnessed the journey like nobody else here. There are other people also, but right now they're the ones who I'm talking about. Anyhow, they have given you a good brief, how we have been honoring this legacy the last 25 years with great vision and commitment. The chairman, our founder chairman, Dr. P. Ibrahim Haji, worked to ensure that you have all this. He has gone above and beyond to ensure affordable and accessible education to everybody. And like Ramesh sir said, it is his great dream for all this to converge into a university, and that is something which we are working towards. Anyhow, I'm just introducing you to Pace Silviora. We have started the celebrations at the beginning of this month in Dubai. And we are doing 3-month-long continuous events and activities and festivities, which will all conclude in a grand event in Dubai on January 24th, 2026. And I hope that each and every one of you takes part actively, very actively in all these events and be part of this history of Pace. The last 25 years has been a very great journey, very happy journey, and we hope that this goes for not only another 25 years, another 75 years, and that it stands the test of time, and that every single person going out of here, I pray that they succeed in their lives. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your words of inspiration and wisdom, and also thank you for leading us with inspiration, guiding us with compassion.
Friends, this is a launch of events. We have list of events which we'll be launching here. So again, count from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes!
Come on, everybody, put your hands together for a big round of applause. Come on, everybody. What a colorful moment it is. Moment to smile, a moment to celebrate. Come on, everybody. Moment to capture beautiful pictures. Every successful event is made possible by the collective effort of hearts and hands joining together. To express our heartfelt gratitude, I now invite Mr. Salimullah Khan, esteemed principal of PA College of Pharmacy.
Let me thank for giving me this moment where I need to thank everyone. First of all, the PA Educational Trust has completed 25 years of its journey, and a journey that was started by a visionary leader, Dr. P.A. Ibrahim Haji Sahib, because of whose vision thousands of students, thousands of children have received their education and doing great in their lives, not only in India but abroad. And not only the students, a number of faculty members across India have been benefited by the vision of one leader, that is late P.A. Ibrahim Haji Sahib, our founder chairman. The legacy is being carried forward by the esteemed trust members, especially his beloved son, Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim Haji, who has never made us felt that Dr. Ibrahim Haji Sahib is not with us. I would like to thank wholeheartedly from the management of PA Educational Trust, staff and student, to Mr. Abdullah for all his grace. Thank you, sir. The institution has seen many people who have worked, established by the faculty members and the students. I would like to thank from the management all those who have worked in these institutions and have positively contributed to the cause of educating people. I would like to thank every one of them, all the principals who have worked here and who have left for their better prospects, and all the students, right from the first batch to this fresh batches who have taken admission not only in engineering but all the institutions in this campus. I would like to thank all of you. I would like to place on record our heartfelt thanks to the supporting staff, the administrative staff who have been part of this function, and all others whom I have failed to mention, every one of them. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir, for your gracious words of appreciation and acknowledgement, and thanks, a special thanks to all the hearts and hands that came together for the successful conduction of this event. Thank you. Inaugural ceremony of PACE Silviora, the Silver Jubilee celebrations of PACE Group. May the legacy of our founder chairman, late Dr. P.A. Ibrahim Haji, continue to inspire us as we march forward. So as we come together for the close of this formal ceremony, let us rise in unity and pride for our nation's honor, and let us all join together with respect in singing the national anthem. Everybody, all the students, please join for the national anthem with respect.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय है भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे शुभ आशीष मागे गाए तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता Thank you.
Thank you. With this, we come to the conclusion of this wonderful, historic, momentous event. But the and gratitude, we conclude the inaugural ceremony of PACE Silviora, the Silver Jubilee celebrations of PACE Group. And may the legacy of our founder chairman, the late Dr. P. Ibrahim Haji, continue to inspire us as we march forward stronger, brighter, and even more committed to excellence in education and service to society. Thank you, one and all.